Welcome to Communisys training. This video contains audio. This video will cover how the supplier can configure the My Desk page, and how to change what is displayed in each Deskoid. We also look at how to search using filters. In this example, we choose the Tasks Deskoid, and show how to access and resolve a task from the filtered report. From the My Desk summary screen, we will edit the way the following Deskoids will be displayed: RFEs, Orders, and Tasks. Select the drop-down menu on the RFEs Deskoid. We would like to display all RFEs within the last 30 days. Select Show All from the drop-down menu. Select the Deskoid icon from the RFEs toolbar. Select Show 30 days from the drop-down menu. This will display a maximum of 10 RFEs on the screen. If you wish to view more than 10 RFEs, then you will need to select the option, View More, at the bottom of the Deskoid. An example of this will follow shortly. Scroll down to the Orders Deskoid. In this example, we would like to display all pending orders within the last 30 days. Select the drop-down menu on the Orders Deskoid. Select Show Pending from the drop-down list. Select the Deskoid icon from the Orders toolbar. Select Show 30 days from the drop-down menu. The list shows there are 2 orders still pending buyer acceptance within the last 30 days. Scroll down to the Tasks Deskoid. In this example, we would like to display all overdue tasks within the last 30 days. Select the drop-down menu from the Tasks toolbar. Select Show Overdue from the drop-down list. Select the Deskoid icon from the Tasks toolbar. Select Show 30 days from the drop-down menu. The Deskoid will now display all overdue tasks within the last 30 days. A maximum of 10 will be displayed on the list at any one time. You can filter, sort, or view more than 10 tasks by selecting the View More hyperlink at the bottom of the list. Select View More. The screen shows the current task status is set to all open tasks, and the task type is set to all. This would display all open tasks on the list within a specified period. In this example, the period is set to 180 days. You can set filters here to reduce the tasks displayed on the list and make them more specific to what you wish to see. Select the task type. In this example, we only want to display open tasks where the supplier needs to review the order in the last 90 days. Any open tasks that are linked to orders still to be reviewed within this period should appear on the list. For this selection, we would set the filter task settings as follows: task status, we would set to all open. Task type, we would set to review order. Select review order from the task type list. We would also complete the for project settings as follows: date range, we would set to project creation. Within, we would set to last 90 days. Select the Within drop-down menu. Select last 90 days from the list. Select Update List to see the filtered report. There are 2 tasks displayed on this list. The red headings show that both tasks are overdue. You can also see from the project description that both tasks belong to the same project. To complete the first task, select the icon at the end of the line. This will take you directly into the task. Because this was a review order task, you have been taken straight to the order details page. The order status is pending supplier acceptance. In this example, you need to accept the order to complete the task. Scroll down. Select Accept Order. Select OK to confirm. Once the task is complete, it should disappear from the list of open tasks. You can check this in the tasks list, within the project. Select tasks. You can see now, there is only one open task remaining, where originally there were two. Thank you. You have successfully completed this compass training lesson.